Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video but I find it very interesting, in case at any time you have damaged the gearbox of your car. And you want to look for a used gearbox, or scrapping, because the repair of your gearbox can be very expensive and you do not want to repair it. The first thing to do is check that the gearbox has no breaks, cracks, or anything strange, and the second thing is that the primary shaft does not have play, both radial play and axial play. Pay attention. This gearbox that you see here has radial play. Look, now I hold the primary shaft. What it has is radial play, and then also check that it does not have axial clearance. This, for example, does not have axial clearance. Look. You will see that it does not have clearance towards the inside of the gearbox, and towards the outside, that would be the axial clearance, but this gearbox changes could not be installed, due to that excess radial clearance. As I said, it is important to check that it does not have any damage on the outside. And also, that it does not have clearance, neither radial nor axial. Well, here I leave you this short video. If it has been useful to you, then do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.